In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a number to text using the text function in Excel. This is really helpful anytime you want numbers to appear in a specific format, like adding currency symbols, leading zeros, or customizing dates and times. Instead of just showing raw numbers, the text function lets you control exactly how those numbers look while still being based on the original value. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you have a number in a cell, for example in cell A1, and you want to display that number with a certain format. The text function follows a simple structure. You type an equal sign, then text, then an opening parenthesis, and inside you provide two things. First, the value you want to format, usually a cell reference. Second, the format you want, written in quotation marks. So, in a blank cell, you would type equals text, then an open parenthesis, then A1 as your reference, followed by a comma. After the comma, you add your format code inside double quotes, and then a closing parenthesis. It will look something like this. Equal text, A1, 0.00. When you press enter, Excel will show the number from A1, but now formatted with 2 decimal places as text. You can use many different format codes here. For example, if you want to show a number as a currency, you might use something like $0.00 or $0.00, depending on your currency. If you're working with percentages, you can use percent or 0.00%. For large numbers where you want commas, use 1000 or 0,000. The key is that whatever format you normally apply using the Format Cells menu can usually be replicated with a format code inside the text function. One important thing to remember is that the result of the text function is text, not a real number anymore. That means you should avoid using it on values you still need for calculations, or at least keep the original numbers in separate cells so formulas can still use them. A common practical use is combining numbers with words in one cell, like total 100 peso. You can write something like euros total and text A1 $2.8. The text function handles the formatting, and the text around it makes the result easy to read. Take a moment to experiment with a few different format codes in your own sheet. Once you get comfortable with it, the text function becomes a powerful way to control how your data is presented in Excel.